Welcome back. We are studying design of experiments in which some of the fundamental definitions we are learning. In this lesson, we discuss two important definitions: block and yield. Block and yield. In the previous lesson, we have discussed treatments and experimental units. Now, based on all the definitions, now we discuss blocks and yield. What is meant by blocks? If the whole experimental material is divided into homogeneous subgroups or strata, those subgroups or strata are called whatever divided subgroups or strata, which are called simply blocks. The simple definition of blocks is nothing but if the whole experimental material which is divided into some homogeneous blocks, some homogeneous subgroups or strata. The subgroups or strata, which subgroups are called blocks. Usually this is done in agricultural experimentation. The experiments like the field experimentation or agricultural experiments, usually the heterogeneous experimental material which will be divided into due to some particular factor, which are divided into homogeneous subgroups, which in that particular subgroup almost all units will have same particular properties, which will be homogeneous as possible. The units are to be divided, to be considered as homogeneous as possible within the block. So that is the purpose of block, dividing the blocks. So such subgroups are called blocks. So within the block, the experimental units are as homogeneous as possible. That is what the important one of the important point behind dividing the experimental material into blocks. The main purpose of dividing the experimental material into blocks is to consider to have experimental units within the block are as homogeneous as possible. That is the main purpose. That is what the definition of the blocks. Now coming to the yield. What is the definition of yield? The measurement of the variable under study on various experimental units. It is known as yield. What is measurement? For example, in the field experimentation, we consider plot as an experimental unit. On various plots, we have applied some kind of treatments. For example, fertilizers. Some kind of fertilizers have been applied, and the yield is going to be observed from the experimental unit. That is, for example, how much quantity of rice it is obtained from a particular experimental unit. For example, 100 kilos of rice have been obtained from that particular experimental unit by applying some particular fertilizer. The 100 kilos of rice, whatso obtained 100 kilos of rice from that experimental unit is nothing but yield. It is treated as yield. It is known as yield. It is called as yield. So yield is nothing but the measurement which is studied on the variable, measurement of the variable under study on various experimental units. From every experimental units, by applying some kind of treatments, we will get some kind of measurements. Such measurement is known as yield. Such measurement is known as yield. Similarly, on some particular BP patients, we have applied some kind of drug which is administered to various patients, and we have obtained some readings, some BP readings, measurements. Such measurement is known as yield. That is what it is going to be defined. So in this lesson, we have learned two important definitions, blocks and yields. Have you understand? Thank you.